So let's get started editing. Right here I have a folder where I have all of my, images that I want to use in my video. So let's just highlight them just like this. Some of these I'm not going to use. Some of them are duplicates. That's all right. I'm going to take these and I'm going to drop it into our event that we just made. Some files can't be imported. That's all right. I was expecting that. We're just going to continue the import. It's important to try to use JPEGs or PNG files. Those are definitely the best source of images to incorporate into Final Cut Pro or any editing platform for that matter. So we have all our videos on how to do this. Okay. Make this viewfinder a little smaller. There we go. So you can mark your ins and your outs in when you're previewing all the clips. Marking in and outs is very simple. On your keyboard, you press the I to mark your in. And let's say I wanted to mark it a little bit more down here, then I would mark my out. And that would segment a certain amount of time within the clip itself when incorporating it into the timeline, which is ultimately down here. So we want a bed of music and a bed of music and a bed of, a background, let's just say, for our little video slideshow, so to say. So let's take a look here in some of the background generators. We have some backgrounds right here, so we'll just click on backgrounds. I'm looking around here and seeing something that may fit my fancy. Let's go to all again. There's wood, there's whites, there's retro, there's pastels, there's organic. I like paper. Paper's pretty plain, but the good thing about some of these generators, this looks good. This is exactly what we want to see. Frame rate, you can always keep it 23. Basic television frame rate is actually 29.97 or 30, but 23.98 is going to be just fine for us because we're actually not working with any videos. That's fine. So let's just make this at least a minute long. That seems about right. Now, if we want to expand the timeline area, we're just going to go down here to this measurement tool, and this expands it and contracts it, and it shows exactly, gives us a nice little area to look at it. So there we go, just like that. And we can always look at, obviously, right here, our timer to see exactly if we want it exactly at a certain time. That looks like right at a minute, more or less. It's a minute, 1 second. Close enough. So